4.2010 Toyota Matrix station wagon. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, gas I4, 1.8L 110, FWD front-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, wheel covers, steel wheels, tires front performance, tires rear performance, temporary spare tire, power driver mirror, power passenger mirror, intermittent wipers, AM/FM stereo, CD player, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, cloth seats, bucket seats, pass-through rear seat, rear bench seat, adjustable steering wheel, vehicle anti-theft system, AC, rear defrost, auxiliary power outlet, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, cargo shade, 4-wheel anti-lock brake system, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, passenger airbag sensor, rear head airbag, child safety locks.